Her children were.
So we went to the store, we got our black paint and the acetone to clean it. We got a breather mask and some polishers. All this is from Harbor Freight because it's my favorite tool store. This is the hood. I got it from the junkyard a couple weeks ago and it was red. It had some bubbling here from rust and it had a dent in the corner. This corner right here, you can still see it a little bit, but it's no big deal. I sanded this all down and bondoed it, tried to paint it all, and it just didn't look good. The streaking and it's nasty, so today I'm gonna sand it down and use the new spray gun that I got to try to make it look a little bit better than it does now.
Oh, just short. That sucks.
No, hold this here.
I mean, we could suspend it on that wood, on a piece of wood. Alright, we need to get level on this table. Or is it level already?
Back here, the next day, it's all dry, so we're gonna throw it on my car now, and then we're gonna buff it, make it look a little bit better than it does now.